look at this 2020 23-foot Sunliner from Harris Pontoon Boats. It's a fantastic boat. We've put the third tube on this to give you extra stability and performance handling. It's powered by a 150 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke engine, very quiet, extremely fuel efficient. One great thing about a pontoon is the amount of space. And if you like the sun, there's plenty of places to lay out. Whether you want to face aft or face forward. One of the things we want to take a look at is how much capacity you have in this boat. Seating for 13 people. You've got nice couch style changing room there that you can put a porta potty under. JL audio system, built-in depth finder. And one of the things that makes Harris different and for safety are their special gates. You'll notice the gate stop is complete, full length of the door, and it's fully welded. So on all of the Harris doors, there's no escaping. So it's a great safety feature only known to Harris. The other great thing is all of your seat cushions are hinged and they are attached. So you don't have to worry about losing cushions or picking them up and moving them to get into your storage compartment. So come on by MarineMax today and take a sea trial on this Sunliner 230 from Harris.